welcome to my channel. I'm Sherelle, and today we will be getting into a Coach fall haul. I'm super excited about this. We are a couple of days away from fall. This is my favorite season, so what better way than to get into some Coach fall inspired bags. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now this first bag is none other than the Times Square Tabby. Yes, yes, yes. This bag was so nice. I had to do it twice. Yeah, so this is my second bag in this, well, my second bag. Different color. The first bag I have is in the dark navy, and now the beautiful Merlot. I had to get this bag. I've been seeing a lot of you beauties out there rocking this color, and this color is screams fall, so of course I had to go ahead and add it to the collection. Now I got this off of Macy's website, so I did pretty good. Got to use some rewards points with this, so got a pretty good deal on this. So again, super excited about this. I'm going to take this stuff off so you guys can see. All right, guys, so I took everything off. Here it is, the beautiful Merlot Times Square Tabby, size 20. So this retails for $4.95. Again, I got this off Macy's website. Again, I love this color. It screams fall. Can't wait to wear this. And thank you guys so much. In the other video, you guys gave me suggestions on how to wear both of the straps together. So I will be showing you guys. You stay tuned on how I will be styling this with both straps. I wanted to show you, I'm recording on my phone, but I have a S23 Plus. This is like the phone case. It's all big and bulky, but this fits comfortably inside. Plenty of room in here. I'll do a what's in my bag as well, but this color, I can't get enough of it. I can't get enough. Oh, and really quick, guys, if you were looking for the Hunter green, forest green color, it's on Dillard's. It's on Dillard's. I've been looking for that color. So guys, run to the website if you are interested in that color. I got it. But yeah, that color is available on Dillard's. Times Square Tabby Merlot. Yeah. On to the next bag. Guys, so the next bag is none other than the Tabby Shoulder Bag, size 26, in the Spazzolato dark neutral color. Now this is a beauty. I like this. Now, quick confession. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. I got a confession. I was never really a fan of this particular style of tabby. I always was like, it never really tickled my fancy. Don't judge me. Don't come for me. But I've grown to love this style. I actually like this style now. This is my second one. So my first Tabby shoulder bag is in a size 20 in the metallic. So I got that bag maybe about 2 months ago. And now this is my second one. So I'm growing, I'm evolving. I'm now a fan of this. So I got this off of Coach's website. This color, Spazzolato, Italian, brushed, refined leather. This is a high quality leather. This is a good seller on their website. So I'm gonna take everything off so you guys can see it. Gorgeous. This retails for $4.75. Okay, so we took everything off. Spazzolato Tabby shoulder bag, size 26. I really like this bag. I really do. This is gorgeous. A lot of room in this bag. A lot of room. So many different compartments. We got 1, this inside, 2, 3, 4. Doing like a little accordion thing. And then we have this back pocket right here. Again, my S23 Plus. More than enough room. It's sliding back and forth in here. I have the shortest strap on. And then we also have this long belted strap. This is pretty. I like this. So I'll be trying both on so you guys can see the different looks. But I really like this. I do. And close up, gosh, you guys probably really can't see. It's almost like a marble. Like it kind of changes color. This is so pretty. I love this. I do. All right, guys. Tabby Shoulder, 26, Spazzolato, dark neutral. Love it. Love it. Guys, so here is the final bag from the Coach Fall Haul. I got this bag off of Macy's website. This is the Coach Borough Bowling Bag. This is a cutie. I absolutely love this. I love the color. It screams fall, of course. And Macy's had a insane sale on this bag. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna attach the picture of this sale. This bag retails for $425. I believe they had this bag for $200, $212, and then of course I used points and got it reduced some more. This was a no-brainer. Like I absolutely love this. Now this bag comes with another belted strap. Really cute. I like this strap. This is nice. I actually went ahead and I ordered a different strap off Coach's website. I ordered this some months ago, maybe over 5 months ago. It was on the site and got this. So this would definitely go with this Borough Bowling Bag, I think. This will definitely kick it up a notch. So I can't wait to put this on the bag and style this. But I absolutely love this strap. So I'm actually gonna, be wearing this strap. I'm not gonna be wearing the other strap, but this strap with the Borough Bowling Bag. Again, this bag was gotten off of Macy's. So that was the final bag, guys. I also have a charm for this bag, because what's a Coach bag without a Coach charm? So you guys stay tuned to see that charm on this bag. Thanks, guys. Okay, and here is the charm that I'm going to be adding to that Borough Bowling Bag. This charm is super cute. It is the Rose Tea Leaf charm. I thought this was super cute. I got this off of Coach's website. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to add this to that Borough Bowling Bag. You guys make sure you stay tuned to see me style all bags. All right, here we are with the, what is this? The Tabby Shoulder Bag in the 26, Spazzolato, dark neutral. You guys see I have the shortest strap on it. Again, love this bag. Wearing it, if I can get it on my arm. Wearing it with the shortest strap. This is super cute. I love that color. Very cute. Then I'll put the long strap on to show you guys. It's a nice bag. All right, so I have the longest strap on now, and I left the short strap on as well. Just tucked it on the bottom. See that belted strap? You can adjust to your liking. And you can do it, of course, crossbody. Let's see. Yes. This is cute. That is a cute bag. Do you like it? Spazzolato, guys. Tabby Shoulder, 26. Lots of room in this bag, too. Lots. All right, Times Square Tabby, Merlot, size 20. I have the shorter strap on. Again, you guys know I love this color. Absolutely love, love, love. Yep. This is so nice. All right, I've added the longer strap and left the shorter strap on as well. So this is actually the way I think. Well, I think I'm gonna rock it this way. I like it this way with both straps. So I can do it this way, and then of course, your crossbody action. Yep. That's very nice. All right, guys, and shout out to one of my peeps in the comments gave me a great suggestion that they got off of Erica Danielle's page, and I saw how she did this, and I thought that was pretty cool. So I've just copied off of Erica Danielle because I love this idea. She took, of course, this strap and combined it with the longer strap to give you that, you still get that chain look, and then with the longer strap. So I absolutely love that. I love that. So thank you so much for that. Because I do like it like this. You still get the gold detail with the longer strap. Combining both of them like that. That's really nice. I do like it this way. Look at there. You guys help me out. All right, and here we are with the final bag, the Borough Bowling Bag with the rose tea leaf charm. This is super cute, guys. So you see I don't have the strap. Just wearing the actual bag. I will not be wearing it this way. But this is cute. I like it. Yep. Okay, and here's the original strap that comes with the purse that I have on now. That belted strap. This is really long. And of course you see you can adjust. Your crossbody. Okay, and here is the strap that I added that I got from Coach. This is the strap that I'm most likely going to be wearing. So I love how this jazzes up the bag just a bit. Very cute. And then of course you can adjust. That's in the back. See that? Wear it crossbody, of course. Yep. It's the Borough Bowling Bag. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for a bag that didn't work out. All right, y'all. So I have been wanting the Coach Idol bag for some time. This bag was released September of 2023. And I've been wanting this bag ever since, but never pulled the trigger on it. That price tag was a little too high. $695, $700, going on $800. I can never do it. I don't know. I can never do it. And I can never catch this bag on sale. So I call myself getting a ReLoved Idol. But it didn't work out. Let me show y'all. This is going back. It's already been sent back, but I just wanted to record and show you guys how I thought I was about to be in the house. I thought, but no. Okay, so this bag was on Coach, ReLoved, $200 cheaper. So I'm like, yeah, I can do that. Now we talking. I want to get close. There are visible scuffs and scratches. I don't know if you can see. And then there's a dent sort of like right there. The bag is gorgeous. The craftsmanship on this is gorgeous. This is a beauty. But I'm sending it back because of the visible dings and scratches, and it doesn't come with the tag, the original tag. And I didn't know that. I guess maybe that's why it was $200. I feel like it should have been reduced a little bit more. They gave this little tag. And now you idol owners know that tag. That tag is something serious. This chain is something serious. But the scuffs and the missing tag, I said, you know what? Never mind. I'm going to go ahead and send it back. I was looking inside the bag to see maybe the tag was in there, but it wasn't. So I thought I had an idol, but I don't. But I'm going to keep trying. But I adore this bag. I really do, but I can't. And then there's a scratch right there. I'm gonna turn it around. Yeah. And then the dings. You can see the dents in that scratch right there. Another scratch right there. But it is a beautiful bag, and someone else might be, of course, perfectly fine. Like, I'll take it. I don't need the tag. Over $200 knocked off of this. And again, it's not a bad ReLoved bag. They did their thing on this one, but I just need the tag. So I just wanted to show y'all this. I tried to get the idol, but I'm gonna get it. But yeah, this has been sent back. Thanks, guys.